how to turn off or on autoplay similar songs on Spotify, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn it off or on. First open your Spotify, and now once you're here, all you need to do just click on your profile here in the top corner, and then click settings. Here is it, click on it, and now just scroll down until you find this one, autoplay, and then if you find it, just turn off this one, first one, and that's it. Then just go back, it will be saved, and I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.